Let's take a look at question number 10. It says, which is the graph of y is equal to x plus 3? So let's graph that. Excuse me. What one is this? 10. Y is equal to x plus 3. Now this is in slope-intercept form, and that's when you have the y by itself. If you have it in slope-intercept form, assuming it's linear, then your number that's in front of the x is your slope, represented by the little m. And we usually want to write it in fraction form, so it'd be 1 over 1. You can always create a fraction by putting it over 1. This is a change in y over change in x. Since this is a positive 1, that means we'll go up 1. Since this is a positive 1 here, it means we'll go right 1. If this had been a negative 1 on top of the fraction, then this would have been down 1. If this had been a negative 1 on the bottom, then it would have been left 1. And a number here at the end is our y-intercept. So our y-intercept is 3. So to graph this, we'll go to our y-intercept first, and we'll put a point. And from there, we use a slope to get our second point. So from the y-intercept, we go up 1, right 1. So we'll go up 1, right 1, and that's where our second point goes. Once you got to those 2 points, you draw a line through them, and that's your graph. Now that's using the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Plotting points. Let's take a look at it. You create a t-chart, and I'll choose 1, 2, and 3. And if you already have it in the form of y equals, it works out perfect, because then wherever your x is, you just put in parentheses all the way down. You don't have to do the work over on the side like that. And whatever number you choose over here is what's going to go right here. That'll go right there, and that will go right there. So put 1 there, 2 there, and 3 there. 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So I got 1, 4. Be right there. 2, 5. Be right there. And 3, 6. Be right there. And draw a line through it. If I was a little bit more accurate, it'd look a lot closer to that. This is just sketching. Let's go over here and look at our answers. Well, that passes through negative 3. That's no good. We said our y-intercept was 3. B is no good. And so it's between C and D. And one of them is going in the wrong direction. So the only one that's even a possibility is D as in David. Now, if you just kind of a look ahead, if you were using a TI-3, TI-4 to do this, you would press Y equals. You'd press your clear button. You'd push your X key, which looks like this, XT theta little n, plus 3, and then graph. That'll give you the same thing.